Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 6, Lesson 41. Last time we met the prepositional phrase. Now, here's the interesting part. That same phrase can do two completely different jobs. It can act like an adjective, or it can act like an adverb. Let's see how. Here's the big idea. A prepositional phrase can do the job of an adjective, or the job of an adverb. When the phrase modifies a noun or pronoun, it's an adjective phrase. When the phrase modifies a verb, it's an adverb phrase. The very same kind of phrase, but its job depends entirely on what word it modifies. Let's see the adjective job first. The house on the hill. The phrase is on the hill. Now ask, what does it modify? It points back to the noun house. Which house? The one on the hill. Because it modifies a noun and answers which one, on the hill is working as an adjective phrase. Notice it comes right after the noun it describes. Now the adverb job. She sang with joy. The phrase is with joy. Ask again, what does it modify? This time it points back to the verb sang. How did she sing? With joy. Because it modifies a verb and tells how, with joy is working as an adverb phrase. Adverb phrases like this answer how, when, or where the action happens. So here's your quick test. First, find the prepositional phrase. Then ask the key question. What word does it modify? If it points to a noun or pronoun, telling which one or what kind, it's an adjective phrase. If it points to a verb, telling how, when, or where, it's an adverb phrase. Which one means adjective. How or where means adverb. Let's try a few. In this first set, look at the prepositional phrase in each sentence and decide its job. If it modifies a noun, it's an adjective phrase. If it modifies a verb, it's an adverb phrase. Pause and try each one before I answer. I chose the bike with the silver fenders. The phrase is with the silver fenders. What does it modify? Which bike? The one with the silver fenders. It points back to the noun bike, so the answer is adjective phrase. We picnicked beside the river. The phrase is beside the river. What does it modify? Where did we picnic? Beside the river. It points back to the verb picnicked, so the answer is adverb phrase. The trail was slippery from the rain. The phrase is from the rain. What does it modify? Slippery how? Slippery from the rain. It points back to the adjective slippery, and modifying an adjective makes it an adverb phrase. So the answer is adverb phrase. 3 more. Same plan. Find the phrase, ask what it modifies, and decide its job. A noun means adjective. A verb means adverb. Pause and try each one. The speakers behind the listeners add depth. The phrase is behind the listeners. What does it modify? Which speakers? The ones behind the listeners. It points back to the noun speakers, so the answer is adjective phrase. Digital recording is spreading through the industry. The phrase is through the industry. What does it modify? Spreading where? Through the industry. It points back to the verb is spreading, so the answer is adverb phrase. The quality of the images has improved. The phrase is of the images. What does it modify? The quality of what? Of the images. It points back to the noun quality, so the answer is adjective phrase. Let's wrap up. A prepositional phrase can do two jobs. When it modifies a noun or pronoun, telling which one or what kind, it's an adjective phrase, like the house on the hill. When it modifies a verb, telling how, when, or where, it's an adverb phrase, like she sang with joy. Same phrase, different job. Just find the phrase, ask what it modifies, and you'll know. Great work!